So let's pretend like this is you and you don't know how to make a Google site. So what you need to do first is go to either this one or this one. This one has more on it. And you go to sites. I don't know why Google has so many blue things. It makes them a little bit more difficult to see. Then you go down to new Google site. And everything on the site that you add has to deal with this plus sign down here. The plus sign will be larger or smaller depending upon. You have made a site because you clicked on the plus sign. And then it opened up a new one for you. So it started out like this, okay? Then you titled your page. But right now, my computer is really slow. My internet is slow. This is 10. I thought we had one for college writing. Okay. You have your site like this. Again, this gives you time because my internet tends to be slow. So remember that this is kind of backwards, but in order to get these pieces up here, you have to add a page. So these are pages, and then you insert things into these pages. They can have drop downs. So whenever I click on it, it shows up here, and that's the page that opens up. If I hover over it and things pop down, that just means that there's more things in there. But I'm going to add a new page called literary analysis, and I can do that if I want to. So Speedy Gonzalez computer here. It's turning. It's turning. Then anything I want to put on that page, I have to insert. And that's the part I want to make sure that you see. So thank you for, oh my goodness gracious. Come on. Thank you. Then you have to insert, and when you click insert, you get all the options. So you would go down to docs or sheets or forms or slides or YouTube or anything. Okay, now I'm offline. So that's always really nice. But double click on docs and it'll show up in here. It's pretty much all you need to remember. Thanks.